Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video as a follow-up video of the yesterday's video. So let's get started. Yesterday's video was about Euro-Aussie and Pound-Aussie setups, right? So I said, well, we were here. See Pound-Aussie, 40 minutes chart. We were here yesterday when I made the video. And I said that, this trend line is going to hold 91.54. We have a reversal candle. Then after that, we're going to drop. So we drop like this already, right? That was pound Aussie. And similarly, pound Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie chart was this. We were here yesterday, 64.48. You can watch the previous video. You will see what I'm talking about. So after the reversal candle, look what happened to it, right? So right now, this level is 62.25. We are at. But here, what is cooking right now, you can see the first FOMC made the US dollar weaker, and Aussie nowadays going just the opposite of US dollar. So Aussie start to get strong. And later on here, you can see that Aussie, we had, like few hours ago, 7:30, Aussie news, red news, and it's supposed to be 10,000, and it came out 61.5 thousand. Big difference, right? So it's much, much better than expected. And Aussie start getting very, very strong and all the way down. Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie went down, right? So yeah. Now this one, what is cooking here? You put the fib from here to here. Then you notice that this first pullback is at 78%. And then it went up to 38%. And now coming down, bypassing 127, 141, and now 161 is in reach, right? So now 161 could be the target, but it's already bypassing the 127. But what it is it's called a butterfly pattern, harmonic pattern butterfly, XA 78%, point B pullback. Then point C is around 38 or 23% or in between, which that's exactly what we have here, right? This point here, see, this is 38 and this is 23. It's in between that and all the way down here. And that's how it's supposed to be coming down all the way. Either it will bounce from 127 to 161. So 127 is already gone. So now we are going towards 120, 1.618, and we might be able to bounce from there. We'll probably bounce definitely, right? This is what it is, 161. So this is pound Aussie. This setup already played out, and then another setup is building up, which is a butterfly, bullish butterfly pattern, and after that, it will retrace, right? Obviously, it is way down, so it's gonna retrace, right? And similarly, Euro Aussie, because of the Aussie strength, it came down all the way, and it may bounce from this level, 60 to 25, and we may go back to 63.54. So look for these moves tonight to the upside. Now, let me show you that how you could have taken the trade. I didn't take any trade, any of these move because I was busy in yen pairs. I'll show you. Plus, I'm really sick and not doing, and much more than what it need to be. So I just forgot to put the EA, my expert bot, on these pairs. Let me show you how the entry was. Now, this one, Euro Aussie. This is where it starts to drop. This is 20-minute chart. And look, beautiful entry right there, right? And unfortunately, my alarm was on instead of the EA bot, and it didn't open the trade. It did probably beep the alarm, but my sound was off. So I took some medicine and I was sleeping, so I just turned on the sound. So I didn't know when this happened, and it went down. Now, how much was the trade so far? From there to here, it's 140 pip trade. Similarly, pound Aussie, look at this beautiful entry here. It was started drop from here, beautiful entry here, and from here to now. If I had taken this entry, I would have made this one here 170 pip, right? So this is oh, well, that happens all the time, right? Here, no alarm and no EA. So I missed the trade. But other setups were like pound pound yen, yen pairs, basically, yen pairs, based on the yen index charts. Let me show you the yen index chart that I had. The first I had made this chart is on the 8th I made, then the 11th December, and this is what I made, that, this 50% here, right? So price may go up, and then somewhere there is going to make the turn and go down. And once it start to go down, this will happen. All yen pairs may dive again when this thing start to go down. That's what my take was, right? And I put on this thing here. Let me show you. Where is it? Yeah, right there. Right. See, all yen pairs will dive again. This is the chart I post here on the 8th. On the 11th again, I did this chart, and then on the 12th again. So what happened? Basically, let me show you the chart, the current chart. This was I made yesterday, 12th. Finally, because it went up a little bit and then started to come down. The reversal candle was there, right? From the 50%. So I said, okay, now as long as we stay below 68.56, we will drop to this 67.88 or more, right? So we're going to be coming down, and what will happen as a result is all yen pairs may dive. Again, that was the idea. So this chart so far, let me show you the live chart. What happened here is this. It came down from there to 11.4% line right now and sitting there. Now, because of that, like I said, that all yen pairs may dive again. So what really happened to yen pairs? Let's go take a look one by one, step by step, starting from USD yen. This is today, right? This yellow line. And after that, this is what happened to USD yen today. This is what happened to pound yen today. This is what happened to euro yen today. I said all yen pairs will go down, right? So this is what happened to Aussie. Aussie was getting strong as well. So that's what happened to Aussie. CAD yen, this is what happened today. Franc yen, this is what happened today. And your New Zealand, this is what happened. New Zealand and Aussie are getting strong. So that's why they didn't drop much. But like I said, that all yen pair will be dropped, right? Now, I was not available to take the trade manually, so I had a couple of pairs. I had the EA alarm on my bot, and it took a couple of entries. Let me show you. This is the euro yen, and this is USD yen. This is USD yen. That after the setups, then yen start to drop. Look at this beautiful entry here, and this is 190 pip from here, from entry to here. Right, that's what happened to USD yen, and this is open. This trade was opened by my EA bot, because like I said, that my condition is not good, so I just put it on, and then I had several pairs, and that's was on. Some I like I said that I missed. I forgot to put the EA on, and I I didn't get the entry. Just like Euro-AUD and Pound-AUD, there was no alarm, there was no bot, and I missed the trade. Anyway, that happens, right? So this is I got USD yen, and the other one is euro yen. Beautiful entry by the book. Excuse me. So this is 190 there, 140 here, right? So these two yen entries that I was able to get. And actually not even me just like EA bought open the trades, right? Now again, let's go take a look at the what happening in yen in pairs, right? So pound yen, this is how it dropped all of it, right? So you pull the fib from here to here, and this is a straight drop, by the way, right? Bad drop. So what happened? Basically, yen index. Now, let me show you the yen index weekly chart I had made a week ago, probably a couple of weeks ago. This was the right. This is ending diagonal. 69.49 is the key number I said, and then we supposedly be dropping to 67.88 or more, right? This is supposed to happen, and I made this chart on December 1st, and as of today, right, December 13th, you can look at the weekly chart. Where the heck is that? The same chart. Look at that, right? The 67.88 is gone. This is how ending diagonals usually break. all the time, all the time. It's very wobbly and ranging type of going to the upside, losing momentum, and all of a sudden, big, huge, fast, steep drop comes after that, after the break of this, right? So this is what happened exactly. Somewhere here is going to stop and then make the turn to the upside for a retracement. So when that happened, or about to happen, I will make another video chart, and hopefully I will get better. Then I'll do my last webinar again, right? I missed today's webinar if my throat was really hurting, and with the runny nose and running eyes, watery eyes, right? So I can't do that. So now I'm feeling a little bit better. That's why I took some medicine. So I'm okay. Let me see if I can make a video and send out, and then get you guys ready. So yen pairs have dropped a lot, and then be ready for a retracement. Now euro yen, for that matter, you see this here. Pull the fifth from here to here, and we are at 61%, even a little bit more than that. 54, 52 is the level here, right? Now yen is dropping and getting strong, but remember that overall trend is way to the upside, right? It's all the way like strong bullish trend. So now this could be we can see that as a retracement. This may drop to this high here, and then definitely we're gonna have a bounce. Like last candle low was what? 6709, and you see this 6694. So it almost came and kissed that number, almost. So 6 and 7 is like 13 pip apart, right? So, and then it bounced, went up, and then coming back now again. But I think personally, I think that we're gonna hold above this and then go back up again, right? So when that happens, then yen is gonna lose again, and then yen is going to get weaker, and all yen pair will make the turn. So be ready for that. What happened today, right? I got 190 and 140. Only two trades, two yen trades, 190 pip and 100. And I have gold and other, indices and, US 30 and all of that. But forex pairs, only these two trades. And I missed those euros in pound Aussie, even though I gave you the setup in the last video. Yesterday I made the video. You can just go and take a look. And we were here, and I said it, that this is the best setup that I have. And then yet I forgot to put the alarm on for the entry. I mean, I had that alarm, the 40-minute reversal alarm, and it probably beat, but I had the sound off as well. So, bottom line, I was completely messed up yesterday, and I'm still messed up. So, the right mistakes will happen. No big deal. But yeah, you guys, just pay attention to these setups, man. Now, beside these, I also showed you that pound USD and euro USD, right? And I said that they're gonna go to the upside. Pound USD chart, my chart was, let me just show you quickly if I can find it really fast. Man. 40-minute, maybe this is what it is. Okay, so this was the chart I made on yesterday saying that here, somewhere here, the wave 4 will finish, and with the help of PPI, USD PPI on at 8:30 in the morning or 2 o'clock FOMC. One of these will take it to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. PPI didn't do much, but FOMC, what happened to pound USD? Let's go take a look. Not here. Here, okay. Pound USD, so far it just went sideways and then start to go up, and now it's still going to the upside. And I didn't trade this one as well. I will probably look into maybe tonight. I'm gonna have my son to. In fact, the problem, what happened with me is like not only me sick, but I make my son sick as well now. So he is on the bed. His throat and everything is gone. He's on the medication as well. So basically, nobody was there last night, yesterday, to attend these charts and all of that. And hopefully tonight I will be able to do it. If not, then, but he is out completely, and he just, his cold is just starting, so it's gonna take maybe 4 or 5 days. right? So mine is just in full blown right now, and maybe another maybe 2-3 days before it goes away. I feel like now. So pound USD went up, just like I said that after FOMC, USD start getting weaker. Oh, by the way, let me show you the USD. How my chart was. How can I forgot that? Hold on just a minute. Let me quickly show you the charts of USD that I had the charts made. For example, this was right, the weekly chart. Let me show you the weekly chart first. So the weekly chart, this is the one that is supposed to come down here 10.26. So right now it is at excuse me. Let me switch it to USD. And oh, come on, man. My computer is slow just like me right now. Okay, the weekly chart. This is what happened. Exactly from there, it started to come down. And as of today, just now, right now, this is the live chart, right? So this is what it is doing. So it's bypassing even 10.26. But I think that somehow it's going to stop here and then go back up here. This would be like A, then we might be able to go for B and then come down for C. Or maybe if I'm wrong completely, then 10.26 will hold and we will continue to drop to 06.98 and then bounce. 06.98, before that, we have this big number as well. So this one was coming nicely to the downside. Let me show you another USD chart, which I made, let's say December 1st, maybe. This is the one. See that? So I made this chart that, okay, we finish here, then this is could be A, B, and then C, and then drop to 61%, and for finishing wave 5 at 10.26. This is how we supposed to going up first for wave 4 and then coming down for wave 5. Look exactly what happened. This is the current chart. So it went up, then came down, and went up. So this was like A, B, and then C. Very complex C. Like I said, that wave 4 is the most nastiest and complex wave of all, right? So sometimes it turns nasty, and this is how it comes, right? And then if you don't know if it is wave 4, then look what happened. You go long, it should go down. You go short, it go long, right? So that happened in pairs as well. And people lose a lot of money in wave 4. So you need to be aware of that. And, just stay away from this stupid wave, right? So this is wave 1, 2, and then 3. So wave 4, wave 5. I said we're going to be coming down to 61%. And we are bypassing that, maybe going for 78%, who knows, right? But let's see, take a look at the daily chart. It's like, this is how it is, right? So 61% is going, and my maybe 78%. Yeah, 78%. You see this low here and this low here. This is coming around 78%. So maybe it is coming down for 78%, and then it will bounce, right? So move already started, so we're not going to touch it. The opposite way until it is confirmed, right? So right now it is going down and getting weaker. US dollar index I'm talking about. And what will happen? This will happen. These 4 pair will go up and these 3 will go down. To USD yen, you saw that I had almost 190 pip, and that is the reason. Yen was getting strong. USD started to get weaker like that. And then, you have the force from both sides, both ends, and it just dropped like from the cliff, right? USD CAD, I didn't bother. USD franc, I don't even trade. Nuzi USD, I don't trade. Aussie USD, I don't like. So this one, I showed you Euro USD and Pound USD yesterday in my video. But like I said, that I missed the trades. I didn't do anything in that. So maybe tonight, if it is going all the way here, right? USD going for 78%, then this thing will go up here easily. So let me see what happened today, tonight, if I can take it, but I'll be very happy with that. I'm still content with the, 2 trades, 190 pip USD yen, and 140 pip from Euro yen. By the way, I had another trade, which is this one here. Look how beautiful it is. Start to go up, boom, 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 and then I finally made the entry. I knew that it's gonna go up, and it went up all the way here, right? So this is gold, by the way, right? 100 big size. So gold is going to the upside as well, and these are the setups. And then right now, like I said, you have the setup. Then be ready when they start to play out. Once they start to play out, then we have to wait until the game is over, right? Right now, going short on Euro-AUD, pound-AUD is a suicide. So I'm not gonna touch on the downside. I'm just gonna wait until they are ready to go to the upside, and then I'll let you guys know that they are ready to do that. Like I said, the butterfly pattern here, 161% I'm looking at. Maybe it is going to be posting a reversal candle here, and then I'll be jumping on this pair as well. If I'm feeling good, if not, then what the hell with it. I need to get better first. But yeah, both of these trades are beautiful. It beautifully went down, right? So anyway, I just wanted to cover a little bit, and this is what's happening. A USD yen, like I said, is all. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you that. So look, this here, USD yen. What do you think, right? I don't even have to tell you anything. So just pay attention if we are going to bounce from this area. Beautiful, big support. That's USD yen, 40-minute chart. Let me quickly go there and see what's happening in USD yen. If USD are gonna drop a little bit more, then probably this USD yen gonna break the support and go down a little bit more. Or it's gonna bounce. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, USD yen. You see that this chart I made November 4 when we were here. Let me locate that. Okay. UJ. This is a weekly, right? UJ. I don't even have it here. The heck? Okay. Now UJ weekly. Nothing? Okay. I don't know where this chart is. UJ weekly. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm making a mistake here. That's why. UJ weekly. Is this the one? Oh. No, that was in November, right? Oy. Hold on just a minute. Yeah. Okay, so this is the chart, right? So right from here, the top, double top, right? I said we're gonna drop. And right there, you see that exactly from there, we are here. 42.10, we keep dropping, and this rising TL could be the one that will give us a bounce here, right? So rising TL, and this 39.38 is the number, or maybe before that, this low here, that will do the job. I don't know what it is. Yeah, exactly. That's what's going to happen. This low, right? So whatever it is, just write down and then pay attention to that, and it's gonna bounce from there. All right. So these are the few setups. So this is what's happening. I'm only concentrating on these few pairs for now. Obviously, gold video, I'll make it later on, right? If I feel better. But gold started to bounce already. I thought maybe it's gonna bounce from like 1987, but it went down to almost like 1973. And then let's go take a look at the gold quickly. What is happening? I have to run something here on this. Okay. Now you see that it came down all the way here, this low, right? And on the left, you can see that it's like 1965, and there was another number, 1973, basically. So it came down all the way there and then start to bounce and then going powerfully to the upside. I would say that it will probably go to 2080 again before coming down. So 80-minute chart, this is how it looks like. This is the chart I made a few December 11th, right? That is going to be bouncing from here. You see that? This is the area, 1987. I was expecting, so it went down a little bit more, and then boom, start to go up. Let's see, back to 2080. Yes, maybe, right? It looks like, and the trend is up, so very strong a chance that we're gonna go to 2080 and even more to the upside. Right now, see, pull the fib from here to here, so this is like a 61%. We can say, right? Not 78. So we count 61%. Then usually it goes back to 23% line before coming down to 78%, if it would come down. But right now it is going for 23% line, which is 2080 as well. All right. So this is what's happening in gold. So trade accordingly. I just showed you that, my entry. I trade small trade in gold, and I'll look for more tonight. So this is it for now. And if I feel good tomorrow, again, I'll make a video and then show you what is happening, what happened, or what kind of trade we had, and if EUR-AUD and pound AUD about to bounce. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.